Okay, listen up, because this is probably the single most important thing you need to hear about winning a hackathon. We all love to write that beautiful, complex, elegant code, but the hard truth? The judges are never, ever gonna see it. What they do see is what's on that screen during your 3-minute pitch. That's it.
So if you've ever spent a whole weekend building something amazing, only to lose to a project that seemed way simpler but had a flashier presentation, then you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the playbook that winning teams use. This isn't just about showing up. This is about how you can actually win.
And it all comes down to this one core secret, the idea that completely changes the game. Your demo is so much more important than your code. Seriously. You have to think of it like a performance. It's a show. Your one and only goal is to put on the most memorable, most impressive 3-minute show for those judges. And look, I know what you're thinking, but technical complexity is a huge part of the score. And yeah, you're right, it's a big slice of the pie. But here's the trick. The thing most people miss, that demo/presentation slice, isn't the only thing your demo affects. A killer demo makes your idea seem more innovative. It makes your solution feel more impactful. A great demo literally boosts your score across every single category. It's a force multiplier. So what does that mean? It means we have to flip our whole ideation process on its head. We're not just hunting for a problem to solve, we're hunting for a problem whose solution looks amazing on screen. You have to engineer for that wow moment right from the very beginning. And you can see the difference right here. On one side, you've got the ideas that make judges zone out. Another to-do app, a simple database form. They work, sure, but they're boring. But on the other side, that's where the magic is. It's the AI actually generating an image right before their eyes, or a physical device that whirs to life. That's the stuff that makes a judge lean in and say, whoa, how'd they do that? And if you're not sure where to even start looking for those wow ideas, these categories are absolute gold mines. Why? Because they're naturally full of powerful emotional stories. When you build something that helps a patient or improves accessibility, you're not just showing code, you're connecting with the judges on a real human level. And that's incredibly persuasive.
Now this right here might be the golden rule. So many teams fall into this trap of trying to build some massive, world-changing platform in 48 hours. And you know what happens? They end up with a huge, buggy mess that barely works. The winning move is to pick one thing, one core feature, and make it absolutely bulletproof. Make it beautiful. A small, polished gem will win over a sprawling, broken mess every single time.
All right, so you've got the right kind of idea. How do we actually build it? Well, a winning demo doesn't just happen by accident at the end. It's the result of a very specific strategy, the demo-first workflow. It means you are thinking about and building towards that final presentation from the very first minute.
And a huge part of that workflow starts before the hackathon even begins. Now, let's get clear on the rules, because this is where you can get a massive head start. You can't write your project-specific code ahead of time, but you can prepare literally everything else. It's like a chef doing all their mise en place, chopping the veggies, measuring the spices, so when it's time to cook, they just cook.
So here's your prep checklist. First, boilerplate. Don't waste 2 hours setting up your React app and login page. Have a starter template ready to go. Second, have all the API docs you think you'll need bookmarked. You don't want to be Googling for endpoints when the clock is ticking. Third, have mockups. Know what your app is going to look like before you write a single line of CSS. Just doing this stuff can easily save you 4 or 5 hours. That's huge.
Okay, the hackathon has started. Your time is precious, so you have to be ruthless with your priorities. Number 1, get that one single perfect demo flow working. We call it the happy path, just the core journey with no bugs. Once that's solid, make it look pretty. A nice UI can make a simple app feel super professional. Then you can work on that one special magic moment feature. And for the love of all that is holy, record a video of your demo. The Wi-Fi will fail. It always fails. Be prepared.
Now for the final piece of the puzzle. You could have the slickest demo ever, but if you just get up there and say, here are our features, you're going to lose. A winning pitch isn't a technical report. It's a story. And your demo, that's the climax of your story. You have to make the judges feel the problem so they can celebrate your solution.
And this is the structure for that winning story. It's a proven 3-minute formula. You start with a hook, a shocking stat, or a relatable story. You spend 30 seconds making the problem feel real and painful. Then bam! You hit them with the live demo as the solution. After they're wowed, you quickly explain the tech behind it, and then you end by painting a big vision for the future. You practice this over and over until it's flawless.
So, let's just boil it all down.
This is it. The ultimate formula. You find a real problem. You build a simple, elegant solution. You showcase it with an impressive, flawless demo. You wrap all of that in a powerful, emotional story. And if you're really smart, you find a clever way to use one of the sponsor's technologies. You do all of this, you're not just playing to participate, you're playing to win.
So, there you have it. The mindset, the strategy, the whole playbook. It's all yours now. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?